Hi Kutis, today we are going to learn science evolution for matters and materials.
Find the odd one. Okay. The first question: brick, coil, silk cloth, pineapple. Which one is different? Do you find that? Yes. The answer is silk cloth. Okay. Because brick, coil, pineapple is rough material. Okay. Silk cloth is smooth material. Okay, Mama. The second question: stone, rubber band, cycle tube, electric wire. Which one is different? Stone. Because rubber band, cycle tube, electric wire flexible material. ஓகேவா ஸ்டோன் வந்து ஃபிளெக்சிபிளா இருக்காதுல்ல அதனால ஸ்டோன் தான் டிஃப்ரெண்டா ஒன்று ஸோ ஸ்டோன் இஸ் த ஆன்சர் ஓகே த தேர்ட் ஒன் சன் கேண்டில் டார்ச் பென் ஈஸியாக ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிடலாம் விச் ஒன் இஸ் ஆன்சர் பென் பிகாஸ் சன் கேண்டில் டார்ச்லாம் லைட் சோர்சஸ் ஓகேவா குட்டீஸ் நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் umbrella, sponge, raincoat, jerkin. The answer very easy. The answer is sponge because umbrella, raincoat, jerkin are waterproof materials. Okay, Vakutis? So the answer is sponge. Okay. Next question. Glass bottle, exam pad, paper plate, wooden board. The answer is glass bottle. Because glass bottle only shiny materials. Okay, va? The next exercise fill in the blanks. Materials which can be compressed or cut easily are called soft materials. Okay, va? Materials which can be compressed or cut easily are called soft materials. Okay, va? The next question is gold and diamond are the examples of shiny materials. Okay, gold and diamond are the examples of shiny materials. The third question is materials which can be bent or stretched easily are called flexible. Okay, அதாவது பெண்ட் பண்றதுக்கோ ஸ்ட்ரெச் பண்றதுக்கோ வளைக்கிறது உள்ள மெட்டீரியல் அதெல்லாம் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் ஃபிளெக்சிபிள் ஓகேவா குட்டீஸ் The next question, does objects allow all the light to pass through them? Okay, allow all the light to pass through them. Which object? Transparent objects. Okay, transparent objects allow all the light to pass through them. Okay, Vakutis. The next question is, dash is the natural source that stimulates sight and makes things. Which is the natural source that stimulates sight and makes things? Light. Okay, light is the natural source that stimulates sight and makes things. Okay, the next exercise, match the following. Okay, first one is light source. இதுல எது light source பாருங்க sun. Very good. Sun is the light source. We match it. Sun. Waterproof. Which one is waterproof material? The raincoat. Okay. Waterproof raincoat. Okay. Next, third one, transparent. Which one is the transparent? Glass. Okay. Glass is transparent material. Next, translucent. Which one is translucent? Vegetable oil. Okay. Opaque material is opaque. We connect with metal. Okay, opaque answer is metal. Okay, the next exercise, say true or false. Okay, the first question, we cannot compress, cut or bend the rough materials easily. We cannot compress, cut or bend the rough materials easily. The statement is true or false? True. Okay, we cannot compress or cut, bend the rough materials easily. The second question is, dull materials reflect light. Dull materials reflect light? No, the statement is wrong. So the answer is false. Okay. Third question is, sandpaper is a good example for smooth materials. sandpaper smooth-ஆ இருக்குமா? No. The statement is wrong, ma. So the answer is false. Sandpaper is a good example for smooth materials. False. Okay. The next one is opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. Okay, opaque objects light allow பண்ணாது. Do not allow light to pass through them. So the statement is true. Okay, the answer is true. Mirrors change the direction of light that fall on them. Mirrors change the direction of light that fall on them. Yes, the statement is true, ma. So the answer is true. Okay. The next exercise, answer the following. The first question, when can you say a material is waterproof material? Once again, I read the question. When can you say a material is waterproof material? The answer is materials that do not allow water to pass through them are called waterproof materials. Materials that do not allow water to pass through them are called waterproof materials. Example, raincoat and aluminum foil of tablet strip. Okay. The second question is, what is a light source? What is a light source? The answer is the objects that give off light are called light sources. The objects that give off light are called light sources. Okay. Example for light sources, sun, lamp, bulb. Okay, goodies. Next question. The third question, what is the difference between transparent and opaque materials? What is the difference between transparent and opaque materials? The answer is transparent materials, opaque materials. We divide it into two columns. Okay. The first one is transparent objects allow the lights to pass through them. Transparent objects to allow the light to pass through them. But opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. The second one is, we can see other objects clearly through transparent objects. We can see other objects clearly through transparent objects. But opaque objects, we cannot see through opaque objects. Okay, we cannot see through opaque objects. Example for transparent materials, add glass, pure water. Okay, example for opaque materials, wood, stone and metals. Okay, wood, stone and metals. Okay, the next question is, define reflection. Okay, the answer is the bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. Once again, I read the answer. The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called reflection. Okay. The fifth one is, classify the objects given below as transparent, translucent or opaque materials. They given some materials. Okay. We find out which one is transparent and translucent or opaque materials. Okay. The answer is mirror. Mirror is transparent material, water, air, then glass tumbler. They are transparent materials. Mirror, water, air, glass tumbler. They are transparent materials. Then we can next we see translucent materials. What are the translucent materials? First one is polythene bag, snow, oil soaked paper, and colored glass. Okay, once again I read translucent materials, polythene bag, snow, oil soaked paper and colored glass. Okay, then we find out opaque materials. Okay, first one is rock. then aluminum foil and wooden board and CD. They are opaque materials. Once again I read opaque materials: rock, aluminum foil, wooden board, CD. Okay.
Thank you, students.